Welcome. Today we would be discussing one of the highly expected topics for your next NET exam, and that is which foreign universities have entered India so far and which are forthcoming. So there are 3 foreign universities which have already been given nod and 4 new which have been proposed. Now these universities, to which nation they belong and which region they would be coming, becomes a very important question for your upcoming NET examination. Of course, a detailed comprehensive coverage for your NET paper 1 course is available on the link below. So coming on to the 4 new ones that have been suggested. So those are West Sydney University. Now this is from Australia. The university would be established in Greater Noida by 2026. Then you have Victoria University, again from Australia in Noida. La Trobe University in Bangalore from Australia, and University of Bristol would be having its office at Mumbai. Now this belongs to United Kingdom. 3 universities which have already been given nod and already established in India include Deccan University, and this is being established at Gift City, Gujarat. University of Wollongong, again in Gift City. Both of these belong to Australia. And from United Kingdoms, it is Southampton University, which would be established in Gurugram. Now, what is really important about the universities which are coming forward? West Sydney would be one of the major universities which would be coming, and it would be connecting across various research domains. For example, in Ayurveda and modern medicine, it would be collaborating with All India Institute of Ayurveda. For groundwater management, it would collaborate with Ministry of Jal Shakti. For food security, it would connect with ICAR. And for neuromorphic engineering, it would connect with IISc Bangalore. Now again, if we talk about University of Bristol, it would have a collaboration with Kriya University in Sri City, and it would introduce a 3+1 degree pathway for transition of undergraduate students from India to postgraduate courses in Bristol. Again, there would be University of Bristol and Atlas, which would be collaborating together for AI design and digital technologies. And then La Trobe University would connect with IIT Kharagpur, specifically focusing on urban planning, water and healthcare. So those are some of the major partnerships. Now if we look on to the major sectors, Western Sydney University would be mainly focusing on business and management, Victoria on technology and data, and then La Trobe and Western Sydney in health and sciences. So those would be the major domains. Now the name of the universities, the major areas they are established, the originating countries is one of the very important aspects that we have discussed. Now under the new education policy, this has been given the nod. We will be covering further important topics for your upcoming NET examination. So stay tuned for more updates from our side. Thanks for joining in.